but they all hatch together within 24 hours. They will face the world as a family. They recognize their mother by her familiar voice. She's been softly cooing to them through their shells for the last few weeks.
Tucked away on the outskirts of Kruger National Park, the lodge could be the perfect place for Lo to set up a new research project. Honey badgers are scavengers as well as hunters. At the Safari Lodge, they've learned there's a regular supply of leftovers at the rubbish dump. For Stoffel, though, fighting alone, round 2 was a disaster.
He did it again, but this time he didn't get off so well. They pulverized him a bit. He was in the hospital 2.5 months.
Local tracker Enoch says he spotted a mother and baby using an old termite mound as a den, less than a mile from camp. It could be the breakthrough that Lo needs. Despite their small size, honey badgers travel huge distances in search of food. With their incredible stamina, they're easily capable of moving 20 miles a night, which makes them hard to pin down. Lo decides to put the burrow under surveillance. With a bit of luck, the mother and pup will give him a unique window into the normally hidden world of badger parenting.